Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This video will be about a makeup look that I created for my Instagram post and was loved by so many of you people. I came up with the idea that why not do a makeup tutorial for the same, which isn't difficult. It's very easy to create this makeup look. So keep watching. So let me tell you that this will be a glowy makeup look and not a matte makeup look. I don't know since when, but I have been loving the glowy makeup looks more than the matte ones nowadays, since it looks natural maybe. So yes, this one will be glowy and I won't be using any kind of foundation over here. I'll be just using a concealer to conceal my dark circles. So to recreate the look, keep watching the video. So before applying the makeup, make sure that you cleanse your face and apply some ice cubes for 2-3 minutes so that your pores get closed. And now before jumping, make sure that you first moisturize your face. I've used here the Nivea Soft Moisturizer for face, and this is the Berry Blossom Limited Edition. I love the smell, and we'll be applying it on the face and some part on the neck also. And make sure that when you actually moisturize your face, you do it in the right direction, that is in the upward direction. You massage it in the upward direction so that you don't get wrinkles. I'll show you. Okay, in this direction. The moisturization is done. Now you can go for the concealer step. So here I'll be using the LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige. Okay, so either you can actually blend it out using your fingers, but I'll be using a beauty sponge. Okay, so make sure you first wet the sponge, else the product will be getting absorbed by the sponge itself and no product will be left on your skin, and you don't want that. So first wet the sponge so that the product is actually applied on your skin. At least maximum product is applied on the skin and not getting absorbed by the blender. So here I'll be using this beauty sponge and just blend it out by dabbing. Now I'll show you how I'll be doing my eyeshadow using just my fingers. So here I'll be using this NYX palette. It says it's the go-to palette, LA palette, indispensable. So I'll be using this particular brown shade, that is the warm shade, so that the look is very natural. And yes, I'll just be using my fingers for it. Okay. And be applying on the outer crease first. So once it is done in the outer crease, I'll make sure that it gets blended in the inner one also. Now for this look, I'll be using this K Kajal, K by Katrina, and I'll be using it as an eyeliner also, and also like a regular kajal on the waterline. So what I'll do is, I'll first apply the kajal around my eye, and then I'll be using a brush to actually give it a proper shape like petal. Once you are done with the upper eye and you're jumping to the waterline, make sure that the kajal is thick around on the outer corner of the eye and not in the inner corner. So make sure when you apply the kajal, the thickness over the outer eye is more than the inner eye, because if you do the same throughout the waterline, then your eyes will look closed and you don't want that. So make sure that the thickness is more on the outer corner than in the inner corner. And once I'm done, I'll make sure that the upper kajal portion and the lower one is joined. So once I'm done with both the eyes, my eyes look something like this. You will notice that there's some not so sharp edges on the eye corners, and we don't want that. I'll make sure I take a brush of this shape and make a proper shape, something like a petal. Okay, so I'll smudge it out a little. So yes, this is how my eyes look. Again, I'll be using the same palette I used for the eyeshadow, but now I'll be using the highlighter instead for the highlighting purpose. Since it's a glowing makeup, it's obviously incomplete without a highlighter. So I'll be using this shade. Now I'll be using a Lakme lipstick, the Nude Hit shade. It's a brown color shade for the nude look. This is how it looks. You can use the same lipstick for blush also. I'll show you how. So yes, this completes my look. So yes, this is how I recreated my look. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the recreation look. I hope you liked the process. It wasn't difficult for me to get this look. I hope the beginners will also get this look very easily. It is very easy for you guys to get it. No such difficult technique was used over here. Just a kajal and a brush and some blending and smudging, and you will be done. So yes, this is how it was, with minimal use of makeup products for glowy skin makeup look. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Till I come with my next video, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.